U.S. migration boycott lifted, travelers invited in New York with embraces and tears. Boston travelers from the 7 predominantly Muslim nations focused by President Donald Trump enjoyed tearful reunions with friends and family in the U.S. after a federal judge cleared the boycott aside. Airlines around the globe enabled individuals to load up flights as regular to the United States. One attorney holding up at New York's Kennedy Airport said visa and green card holders from Iraq and Iran were experiencing no issues as they arrived. Demonstrators take an interest in a challenge against U.S. President Donald Trump's travel boycott in the Brooklyn ward of New York. Reuters. It's the same old thing, said Camille Mackler, of the New York Immigration Coalition. Fariba Taj Rastami, a 32-year-old painter from Iran, came through the door at Kennedy with a tremendous grin and tears in her eyes as her siblings welcomed her with cheerful hugs. "I'm extremely upbeat. I haven't seen my siblings for 9 years," she said. Taj Rastami had attempted to travel to the U.S. from Turkey over a week back yet was turned away. "I was crying and was so baffled," she said. "All that I had as a primary concern, what I would do. I was so disappointed about everything. I thought it was all over." Taj Rastami said she would like to consider workmanship in the U.S. and plans to join her significant other in Dallas soon. He moved from Iran 6 months back, has a green card and is working at a car dealership. Comparable scenes played out over the U.S. 2 days after a federal judge in Seattle suspended the president's travel ban and hours after a government advances court denied the Trump administration's ask for to set aside the ruling. The U.S. dropped the visas of up to 60,000 non-natives in the week after the prohibition on go from Syria, Iraq, Iran, Sudan, Somalia, Libya and Yemen produced results, as indicated by the state office. Trump additionally suspended about all refugee admissions for 120 days and banned Syrian refugees indefinitely. The request activated dissents and a large number of legal challenges around the nation and hindered various college students, specialists and others from entering the U.S. Trump, who said the objective was to keep psychological militants from slipping into the nation, lashed out against U.S. District Judge James Robart for putting the prohibition on hold. He alluded to Robart as an alleged judge and called the ruling ridiculous. On Sunday, the president tweeted, "Just can't trust a judge would put 2